Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove an old address from Amazon account cleanup step by step clearly. Open your web browser or the Amazon mobile app and make sure you are signed into the correct Amazon account. If you are on a shared device, confirm your name is visible in the top menu to avoid editing the wrong profile. On the Amazon website, move your cursor to Account and Lists and click Account. On the Amazon app, tap the profile icon, then tap your account. Scroll until you find the section called Ordering and Shopping Preferences. Select your addresses to open the full list of saved shipping addresses. Take a moment to identify the old address you want to remove by checking the name, street, city, and zip code. If the address is marked as default, note that you may need to set another address as default first. Click or tap Set as Default on the address you want to keep as your main delivery location. Return to the old address you want to delete and look for the option that says Remove. Click or tap Remove to start the deletion process. When Amazon shows the confirmation message, read it carefully to ensure it is the correct address. Confirm by selecting Yes, Remove or Delete, depending on what your screen shows. Wait a few seconds for the page to refresh and verify the old address no longer appears in your list. If you see the address still listed, refresh the page once or close and reopen the app. Next, check for any duplicates by scanning for the same street with slightly different formatting. Remove duplicates one by one, keeping only the most accurate version of your current address. Now go back to your account and open your payments to confirm billing addresses if they are connected to any cards. Open each saved payment method and look for the billing address section. If an old billing address is attached, update it to your current address and save the changes. Return to the main Amazon menu and open your orders to confirm you do not have an active order shipping to the old address. If you find an order that can still be changed, select Change Shipping Address and choose the correct one. If Amazon asks for verification, complete the security prompt such as a password or one-time code. On the website, also check subscribe and save settings if you use it, because subscriptions may store an address. Edit each subscription and select the correct delivery address, then save. If you use Amazon Household or shared profiles, repeat the address check for each adult account if applicable. Finally, sign out and sign back in once to confirm your address list stays updated. You have now cleaned up your Amazon account by removing the old address safely and correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.